Crossroad number 32. To entrust our cause to the Lord, or to be afraid of persecution. We are on Saturday of the fourth week of Lent. We read from the book of the prophet Jeremiah. But you, O Lord of hosts, O just judge, searcher of mind and heart, let me witness the vengeance you take on them. For to you I have entrusted my cause. For to you I have entrusted my cause. Another crossroad in our Lenten journey. Do we entrust to the Lord our cause, our plans, our vision? Be it a vision for ourselves, a vision for our family, or a vision for a community. Do you entrust our causes, our advocacies, our dreams and plans to the Lord? Or do we execute them according to how we want them, according to the way that we have designed for ourselves, not minding and realizing that all plans go to nothing if they are not according to the plan of God, if they are not in accordance with the ways of God. The Lord searches our mind and heart, and many times we try to do things our way, and there's nothing wrong with that. Wala namang masama na puntahan natin o tahakin natin ang landas na gusto natin para sa ating mga sarili. Pero kailangan ipagkatiwala mo sa Panginoon ang anumang mga balakin sa buhay. Whatever plan you may have in your life, you have to entrust all these plans to the Lord. Otherwise, they will be brought to nothing. Natatakot din tayo na tayo ay masaktan kapag tayo ay nagtitiwala sa Panginoon. Parang tingin natin, kailangan ako ang may hawak. I should be in charge. I should be in control of my life, of my dreams, and my plans. But the Lord is challenging us in this crossroad. Entrust your causes to me. Entrust your plans to me. Because I know better. I know how to execute them. I know the options better than you do. So in this crossroad, the invitation of the Lord for us is, again, humility to accept that everything comes from the Lord, including our plans for ourselves, for our loved ones. Ipagkatiwala mo sa Panginoon ang lahat ng iyong mga pangarap at ang Panginoon ang magsisigurado sa iyo na ito ay magkakaroon ng katuparan at kaganapan ayon sa kanyang paraan, ayon sa kanyang panahon.